For your plank plus, we're going to go into a plank position. If the plank position is too challenging for you, we can change this to be on an incline where your hands would be on a bench or an ottoman or even up as high as a countertop. And we want to pick the place where your form can be really good. So it doesn't matter which position you choose, as long as your form is good, we are happy. Your hands will go under your shoulders. Step your feet back one at a time into a nice plank position. Lower your chest and bring your shoulder blades together without bending your elbows. Then press the floor away. Press your shoulder blades apart on your rib cage to lift up. Lower with control, shoulder blades come together. Press the floor away as you broaden your shoulder blades apart on your rib cage to lift up. So the effort here is in the serratus anterior, the muscles that control the shoulder blades on the rib cage. We're really looking for movement there. Your elbow creases should face forward with a soft bend or even toward the locked position, but not hyperextended. And your lower back and spine should stay neutral. So even as you lower, you're not letting your low back sink or collapse toward the ground. We're trying to keep a stable abdominal core barrel while we get that movement from the rib cage and the shoulder blades.